Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go! In the previous analysis, I have mentioned about the price probably getting outside from the support zone. The price on a Monday has formed indecision candle where the price tried to move upwards, where the bulls tried to push the price higher, but the price could not go above 1.0460, and then the day ended as the price on the same price as the day has opened. On the next day, the price has tried again to reach higher levels, but the day has closed 200 pips below, where the price has broke the first support zone at 1.02975, which was a relatively strong support zone in the past, but this time the price did not stop at that support, but it broke below. It stopped close to this downtrend previously resistance line, which now acted as a support, but that stop did not last too long. The price retraced a little bit up, but on the next day, on Wednesday, the price continued to move down and reached this demand zone around 1.01368, which was weekly and monthly target mentioned in the last analysis. So we can see that this week the bears has pushed the price strongly down and reached the final support zone. Around this level, the price has returned back up, make a retrace, reaching again the downtrend resistance line, and then close the day again below, back inside this demand zone. The price on a Friday has broke below this support zone, but the day could not close below, which suggests that the bulls around this area are strong. But we need to have in mind that this pin bar, this bullish pin bar, has formed on Friday, which is the day when the buyers and sellers close their trades to make the profit. In this case, we have bears that have sold this pair, and then on Friday they have locked their profit, pushing the price higher. So this pin bar is not 100% valid because it is on a Friday, but as a formation is pretty clear that this is a bullish pin bar forming around demand zone on the strong support zone and also inside the previous candle body. So this is a suggestion for the next week where the price could move. Because this is a confluence of support, we can expect the price moving higher, and the first target where the price could stop is this area here, which was also a support and resistance for the price this week on Tuesday and Wednesday. So this is 1.02662. It is a area where the price will have hard time to reach higher levels, but this supply zone around this resistance 1.02975 is the area where the price could find more bear strength, pushing the price more down. If the price manages to close above this supply zone, this resistance, the next target would be 1.03920, which has held the price in the last 3 attempts to break below. If that happens, this is the next resistance where the price will stop. On the below side, if the price continues to move down and close the day below this demand zone, below this support, we can expect the price to reach the parity at 0.99134, which is a strong support zone on the weekly and also on the monthly time frame. So we can expect the price to bounce like this and make a strong bullish retrace. So for the next week, I'm expecting the price to move higher, reaching this first resistance level, and from there I will see where the price will move. Will the price close the day above this supply zone with this resistance and continue to move up, also probably reaching 1.05087, which is also a weekly and monthly retrace target, which we have seen in the previous analysis. And if the price makes some kind of bearish price action signal around this supply zone, around this resistance, the target will be again 1.01368, and after that, if the price manages to close below this confluence of support, which will not be so easily, but it is likely, the 0.99134 is the target. Because this market overview is currently completely bearish, I'm expecting the price to continue to move down. If we check the weekly time frame, we can see what has happened. We have here an engulfing bearish candle, which was mentioned in the last week analysis. Then the price strongly moved down. So we expect the price to make a retrace after this strong bearish move and then to continue move down. But this is the area at 1.03920 is the decision area. Will the price stay below and reach lower levels, or it will close above and reach higher levels around 1.05 and 1.05825 area? On the monthly time frame, we can see that the pair is strongly in the bearish mode, and I'm expecting the price to reach lower levels in the following week and month. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!